Ever found yourself scrolling through amazing products online and thought, hey, I could sell that? Maybe you've even dreamt of running your own online store, setting your own hours and being your own boss. But then the big question hits. How do you actually do it without a huge upfront investment in inventory? Well, that's where dropshipping comes in, and for a long time, Oberlo was a major player in making that dream a reality for countless entrepreneurs. It was the go-to app for seamlessly sourcing products from AliExpress and importing them directly into your Shopify store. It simplified the whole process, from finding suppliers to handling order fulfillment. Think of it like this. Imagine you want to open a clothing boutique, but instead of buying racks and racks of clothes up front, you only pay for an item after a customer buys it from you. Oberlo essentially helped you set up that kind of system online, connecting your virtual storefront to a vast warehouse of goods. This meant you could start selling without needing a physical storage space or a hefty initial investment in products. Pretty cool, right? Now, if you're watching this in 2025, you might be scratching your head. You might be saying, wait a minute, I thought Oberlo shut down. And you'd be absolutely right. In June 2022, Shopify, Oberlo's parent company, officially discontinued the app. It was a significant shift in the dropshipping landscape, leaving many users looking for alternatives. So, why are we even talking about Oberlo's cost if it's no longer around? Well, understanding its pricing structure gives us valuable insight into the general costs associated with dropshipping and the types of expenses you might encounter with similar platforms that are available today. Plus, many of the principles and costs associated with Oberlo are still relevant to the dropshipping model as a whole. Let's take a trip down memory lane and look at how Oberlo used to structure its pricing. This will help us understand the baseline costs involved in using such a service. Back in its heyday, Oberlo offered a tiered subscription model, catering to businesses of different sizes and needs. This is a common approach for software as a service, SaaS platforms, allowing users to choose a plan that best fits their current stage of growth. They typically had a free plan, which was fantastic for beginners just dipping their toes into the world of dropshipping. This free plan usually allowed you to import a limited number of products, often around 500, and handle a certain number of orders per month. This was a great way to test the waters, experiment with different niches, and see if dropshipping was the right fit for you without any upfront financial commitment to the platform itself. Beyond the free plan, Oberlo offered several paid tiers that unlocked more features and higher limits. These plans were designed to scale with your business as your product catalog and order volume grew. One of the popular paid plans was often called something like the basic or starter plan. This would typically increase the number of products you could import, perhaps to around 10,000, and lift the monthly order limit significantly. This plan would come with a monthly subscription fee, usually in the range of $29.90. For a growing business, this offered more flexibility and capacity to handle increased sales. As businesses continued to expand, Oberlo offered more advanced plans, often named Pro or Growth, which came with even higher product import limits, sometimes as high as 30,000, and additional features designed for larger operations. These features might have included advanced product monitoring, which alerted you to price or inventory changes from your suppliers, and potentially even multiple staff accounts to manage your store more efficiently. These more robust plans would naturally come with a higher monthly cost, potentially ranging from $79.90 to $99.90. It's important to remember that these were the subscription costs specifically for using the Oberlo platform itself. However, the cost of dropshipping extends beyond just the software you use. You also need to consider other crucial expenses. One of the primary costs is the price of the products you're actually selling. While you don't buy inventory upfront, you do pay your supplier for each item your customer purchases. The cost of these products will directly impact your profit margins. Thorough product research to find reliable suppliers with competitive pricing is absolutely essential. Then there are the fees associated with your e-commerce platform, most notably Shopify, which Oberlo was tightly integrated with. Shopify offers its own range of subscription plans, each with different features and pricing structures. These monthly fees are a recurring cost of running your online store. Marketing and advertising are another significant expense. To make sales, you need to get your products in front of potential customers. This could involve running ads on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, using search engine advertising like Google Ads, or investing in influencer marketing. The cost of these activities can vary greatly depending on your strategy and the competitiveness of your niche. You might also encounter transaction fees, depending on your payment gateway and e-commerce platform. These are typically a small percentage of each sale you make. Furthermore, customer service is a crucial aspect of any successful online business. While it might not be a direct software cost, the time and resources you dedicate to handling customer inquiries, complaints, and returns are definitely a cost to consider. As your business grows, you might even need to invest in customer service software or hire additional help. So, while Oberlo itself had a specific pricing structure with free and paid tiers, the overall cost of dropshipping involves a broader range of expenses, including product costs, e-commerce platform fees, marketing and advertising, transaction fees, and customer service. Even though Oberlo is no longer the go-to solution, the lessons we learned from its pricing model and the associated costs of dropshipping remain highly relevant. Today, there are other excellent dropshipping apps and platforms available that offer similar functionalities and pricing structures. Understanding the costs involved with Oberlo provides a solid foundation for evaluating the expenses associated with these alternatives. When exploring current dropshipping solutions, you'll likely find similar tiered subscription models. Many apps offer a free plan for beginners, allowing you to get started without a significant financial commitment to the platform itself. As your business scales, you'll likely need to upgrade to a paid plan to unlock higher product limits, increased order processing capabilities, and potentially more advanced features. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.